Step number 1. Add hydrochloric acid to hydrobromic acid. I don't care.
Rule number 1. No unauthorized experiments are permitted. Do not modify or change any procedure in an experiment without instructor approval.
Step number 1. Add the hydrochloric acid to hydrobromic acid. Okay, so hydrochloric acid to bromic acid. Done. Okay, time to clean up.
Safety rule number 2. If any chemical is splashed in the eyes, notify your teacher and flush both eyes at the eye wash for at least 15 minutes. Safety rule number 3. Absolutely no horseplay is allowed, as it can cause accidents. Safety rule number 4. Eating and drinking in the laboratory are strictly prohibited. Hey, I see something.
What?
It's a different
Safety rule number 5. Never look directly into a test tube or flask or point one at another person, particularly while heating its contents. Safety rule number 6. Never deliberately inhale/smell chemicals unless instructed to do so. A wafting technique is appropriate.
Do you want to hear it again then?
You got that part? You got it.
I got it. Wait, so how was she going to say it?
Well, that was too much.
You got goggles, lab coats, we've got a lot to work with.
Safety rule number 7. Do not pour unused portions of a reagent back into its stock bottle, as this can cause contamination.
Add acid to water.
Good thing I
Doesn't matter. So, water to acid.
What are we doing tomorrow then?
Safety rule number 8. Diluting a acid procedure. AA. Add acid to water, not the reverse.
Add acid to water. AA. Acid to water. No.
Safety rule number 9. Clean up broken glass using a dustpan and a brush. Never pick up broken glass with your hands. Place broken glass in a specified glass waste container. Safety rule number 10. Spills must be cleaned up immediately. Acid and base spills require neutralization before cleanup. Safety rule number 11. Goggles must be worn at all times.
Oh, I need a pipette.
Do you want it? Teacher?
Safety rule number 12. Never leave a heat source unattended.
My sleeve's on fire!
Safety rule number 13. Loose-fitting clothing is prohibited. Also, long hair must be tied back. Safety rule number 14. Do not mix reagents unless instructed to do so.
So guys, when you finish the lab, make sure that you don't pour anything down the sink. Please put them in the specified waste container.
Safety rule number 15. Follow waste procedures specified by your teacher. Never pour a chemical into the trash can or down the drain unless instructed to do so.
No!
Safety rule number 16. Wash skin if contact is made with any chemical. A chemical burn must be washed under running water for 15 to 30 minutes.
Fire!
Safety rule number 17. Should a fire occur at a lab table, the fire extinguisher can be used.
Christ, I'm on fire! Ah!
Safety rule number 18. Oh no, if a person catches fire, the fire extinguisher is not to be used. The teacher should get the person down on the ground and attempt to smother the flame with a fire blanket. Allowing the person to remain standing can cause damage to respiratory passages and eyes as flames naturally travel upward. Oh no, got on your shirt!
No!
Safety rule number 19. If a student spills a strong acid or base on his or her clothes, the clothes must be removed immediately. This is no time for modesty, and the student must stand under running water in the safety shower for at least 10 minutes.